We are about to walk into DJ's room. Hold on, DJ. He's eager to show you guys his room. So let's go. Now this is DJ's door. Let me turn on the light. This is how you know this is DJ's door. Y'all pray for me. And let's go into DJ's room. DJ, is this your big boy room? So we are going to start over to our left. So over to our left, we have his little step 2 easel. And as you guys can see, I probably bought it prematurely because he was not really ready for it yet. He colored on this part, but he colored everywhere else too, as you can see. And if you guys haven't noticed yet, his room is sports themed. We have the football rug here, the basketball rug here. You know, everything is related around sports, and that's how it was. That's how we started it when before he was even here. We said it was gonna be a sports themed room. So he has his basketball hoop trash can right here, and I'm sorry I did not clean it out first. And then right here we have his little hat and bath towel hook. We have all his little hats hanging on it and his bath towel. And it has a football, basketball, and baseball on top of it. What you laughing at, DJ? And behind here, it's just little miscellaneous stuff. This is his the gate that goes on the bed. What is it called? A bed rail, so that he doesn't fall out, but he doesn't need it with his new bed. And then we have a little T-ball set here that we haven't even set up yet. And then right here, we just have like a little storage organizer that I decided to use instead of a dresser because his closet is pretty big. And I have his TV sitting up here. Now, it took me so long to film his big boy room tours because I wanted to get his TV mounted on the wall. And a couple of other things I wanted to get mounted on the wall, but it hasn't been done yet because I think we might have to get a new mount, and then it was hard for us to try to find studs, but we'll get that done at a later time. So here is his storage organizer. I have some books for him right here, and these are all the essential oils I use on him. In this bin, I keep like his training pants and his little swimmers diapers. I keep socks in this one, shorts in that one, shirts in this one, pajamas in this bottom one, and pants in that one. And then we have a little bin right. DJ, come here. Where you going with the elephant? So we have a bin right here where I keep some of his diapers and other little miscellaneous stuff. And this is like a little keepsake box where I keep the navel stump or umbilical cord stump, his first haircut, you know, little stuff like that I keep in there. His little hospital bracelets that come around his wrist. Here is his drum that he likes to play with, and his choo-choo train that blows bubbles. I'm not sure if you guys have seen this in a video before. I believe you have, but I can't remember. And then right here we have a baseball themed lamp. And as you can see, he drew on it already, which is another reason why I said I probably bought him markers and crayons a little bit prematurely. So behind the organizer, we have just these little wall decals that are sports themed, and you got the basketball, the soccer ball, some numbers, you know, just little different designs. And right here we have his toy box. We keep all his toys in there. We keep his books on top. And I keep all of his Dr. Seuss books on the top part just because I love Dr. Seuss and I love reading them to him. So I thought Dr. Seuss was pretty special and it could be collectible, so I wanted to keep them on top where he can't really reach them that good and ruin them. And then he has his what are they called, golden books, I think, the little golden books on this one. And these I bought secondhand, so they are collectible items too, but they were already pretty beat up, so I didn't really care about putting them on the bottom. And right here I just have like a little car basket. It was an Easter basket we got him for his first Easter. We had candy and stuff in there, but I figured I could put like little stuff in there, but I just put it right here on his toy box. And then he has Cat in the Hat bookends right here. Now, what I love about this toy box is that it matches his bed. And here is his bed. I had it all made up nice for you guys, but of course, so let me go ahead and make it back up. Just put the pillows back on here how I had them. This is DJ's bed and it matches the toy box. See? And I didn't need the bedroll because it has these things on here and they are pretty high. And I bought him the sports themed sheet set. And we keep all his favorite pillows and teddy bears on the bed. He has his Spider-Man pillow right here. This is an elephant that his grandmother bought him and it sings songs. It sings Do Your Ears Hang Low. And then we have some blankets for him right here. Next to his bed, I keep 2 sports themed chairs and a little book basket. It was actually a baby shower gift to him from our friend Monica, and I used it to keep books in there because he got so many books. And for his baby shower, what we did was instead of a card, bring a book that you can sign and we can add it to his library. So we got so many books, I decided to add them in that basket and keep chairs next to them. And he does sit in these chairs and he will pick out a book to read. And next to that, we have a little like a measurement board, sports themed, and of course he colored all on that. You can see the little markers and crayon marks, but I thought this would be like a cute touch to his room. And I actually think my mother bought this for him along with the chairs. This is his closet right here. It's pretty big, but it's messy, so I'm not going to open it for you guys. But on this wall we have more wall decals, and I decided to put his name and you know, just decorate around his name. And I forget where, I think I bought these wall decals from Bye Bye Baby. And then of course we have the sports themed light switch right here. DJ, we're supposed to be showing your room. So right here we have a little chest that was actually in Chastity's room when it was my office. But I didn't want it in there anymore because there really wasn't any space for it. So I decided to put it in DJ's room, and I thought this was the perfect space. We don't really have much in it. I just kind of sit his clothes out that he's gonna wear on the next day on there. And he'll sit on it sometimes, but yeah, so we kind of just use it as like just to sit stuff on. As you can see, he set his cup on there. Now, as you can see, DJ's bed sits pretty high, and the bottom is supposed to be used for storage. Storage bins came with, well, you can buy storage bins with the bed, but I didn't buy them with the bed, so I just keep like some of his larger toys that won't fit anywhere else under the bed. Oh, say hey. You gotta finish your room tour. Okay, come on. So, one of my favorite parts of the room are the rugs. So the one he's laying on is the basketball rug. It's very soft. I should have vacuumed it before I filmed this, but I wanted to hurry up and get it done. And it's just gonna get messy right away anyway. And then we have this football one right here. And we have a baseball one, which he spilled chocolate milk all over it, and I cannot figure out how to get the stains up. I tried hydrogen peroxide with water and trying to steam it up, but it did not budge. And right here we have a chair that my mother bought for him, and he likes to sit in it and watch his TV or plays with his toys or read his books. Right here we have his nightstand, and this is his night light that he uses. He actually stole it from me. I bought it so that I can turn it on when I'm changing Chastity in the middle of the night or feeding her, and I just need like a small light when I'm not in her room, just when I'm in my bedroom, and I need a small light just to have, you know, a little bit of light to see. He stole it because all of a sudden he is afraid of the dark. It happened all of a sudden. It happened the week Chastity was born. So to get him to stay in his room at night, I gave him the night light, and it did help out a lot. And this night light is actually very cool. It actually changes colors. So let me see. So right here is green. And if you press it, it turns to the yellow light, a brighter yellow light, brighter red, green, blue, looks like a turquoise. And then he has his basketball themed lamp behind there. Let's move his ultrasound picture out the way. And there's one of the emergency passies. This is his little cousin Noelle. She's actually just 8 months younger than her. But this was her Christmas picture, and he shows all of his friends her picture when they come in his room. I think you guys seen her in the vlog before, if you've watched my vlogs. This is his little tablet that we bought him. His essential oil diffuser and a Scentsy warmer right there. I keep it behind there because he doesn't really mess with anything behind there, so I thought it was safe to put right there. And then right here, he just has his humidifier. So I wanted to add that the bed you can get from Walmart. I think it's on Amazon too. The toy box you can get from Walmart or Amazon, maybe even Target. The easel I bought from Amazon, and the storage organizer I bought from Amazon. So yeah, you guys, that was DJ's big boy room tour. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.